Welcome to the Environmental Studies class, and now we are going to see about natural resources, and under that we are going to study about water resources. Okay, and the content we are going to deal about is what you mean by water resource and what is over exploitation of water, how to conserve water, how to manage water, and how to avoid this water wastage. Okay, we'll see about water resources. See, water is an essential natural resources for sustaining life and environment. See how beautiful it is. It is very essential for us, isn't it? Water is an essential natural resource for sustaining life and environment. It is a free gift of nature which will soon become a scarce commodity. As you all know, it is a free gift from the nature, but we people are spoiling it, and it's going to become very scarce, isn't it? Okay. Then over exploitation of waters. Why there is over exploitation of waters? See, population explosion may lead to increase in water usage. See, about 69% in the agricultural field and 8% for domestic and municipal purpose we are using it. Then it leads to shortage, drought desiccation and water stress. Okay. Then over exploitation of waters may lead to drying up of the land. So if too much of water is withdrawn, it may lead to dry land. And the groundwater depletion, the level of water, groundwater will deplete, and also it becomes very saline, so that the soil becomes saline due to excess evaporation. Okay. Then conservation of water resources. How can we conserve these water resources? The first one, increase irrigation efficiency. For example, we can follow drip irrigation, so we can avoid wastage of the water. Then protect watersheds and wetlands by afforestation. We can plant more and more trees so that the groundwater level, the watershed, all these can be protected. Then prevent water wastage. How much you can avoid wastage of water, you should do that. So prevent water wastage. Okay. Then another thing how you can conserve is recycle waste water. You can recycle the waste water. Then construct large number of small ponds, tanks, etc. in low lying areas. So during rainy time and all, you can collect the water, you can harvest the water and keep it for the future use. So construct large number of small ponds, tanks, etc. in the low lying areas. Then build dams to control floods. Can build more dams to control floods. Then adopt rainwater harvesting as I said. Okay. Then water management. How can we manage the source water resource? Construct dams and reservoirs. Desalinize seawater. Divert canals to dry areas. Dredge and desilt water bodies. Okay. So develop catchment dams. So these are the ways how you can manage water. Then how can we avoid? What are the things you have to avoid to prevent this loss of water? That is, how can you avoid water wastage? Don't waste water at home. So it should start from home. All these habits, all these rules, all these acts should follow. I mean, start from home. So don't waste water at home. See, this is the very simple thing. While brushing, we normally used to keep the tap open and then only you take the paste. So that is one way of wasting the water. Then don't direct the sewage water on roads, right? This is, we can see in many areas the sewage water is directed towards the roads. Don't direct the sewage water on the roads. Then do not keep the tap open when you are not using it, right? So these are certain things you can avoid water wastage. Okay, and also you should not throw waste in water bodies. Then report about leaking pipes. So these are certain things how you can avoid water wastage. Then reuse the water for watering plants. Then use eco-friendly solutions for washing, and do not cement your courtyard like this. See, if we cement our courtyard like this, what will happen? Water cannot seep down and the groundwater level cannot be maintained. So maintain a lawn to filter the water down the soil. Okay, so these are certain steps or ways that helps you, or tips that helps you to avoid water wastage. Okay, so try to understand the importance of the water resource and avoid the wastage of water. Try to manage this water as much we can so that our future generation also can flourish. Okay, so that's all about water resources. Thank you.